Hi guys, welcome to my video, and today we're making a quick, simple dinner which shouldn't take more than about 20, 25, 30 minutes. Let's go 30 minutes to make. So it's easy, no long thing. You know those days when you get back from work and you're tired. Oh, I'm tired. You know, you get time to sit down, literally come in, take off your bag, take your jacket off, wash up your hands, prep food, get food ready, and you just gotta cook, serve everybody, then you can sit down. Today is one of those days. This is something that's quick and easy. You can just pick up some chickpeas, some quinoa, bulgur wheat. If you don't want bulgur wheat, just go with the quinoa. I'm making a little salad on the side. Okay, so what we have here, guys, is we have some chickpeas, some bulgur wheat and quinoa. I usually do 50-50, so I would use 150 grams of quinoa, mixed quinoa. That would be 75 grams of white, 75 grams of red, or if you've got black, just 50-50. And then I would have 150 grams of bulgur wheat. The kids like it like that. That's my way of getting them to eat the quinoa, but mixing it with the bulgur wheat. Have some chives, have some spring onions, some stock cube for the quinoa and bulgur wheat, some peppers here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use the green today. I'll see. Have some red and yellow and green peppers, some carrots for the salad, onions, which will go with the carrot salad, onions for the chickpeas, some tomatoes, ginger, garlic, lime, white onions, and we have here some oyster mushrooms. I wanted king oyster, but they didn't have it in the shop, so you have to work with what you have or what they have. So, and some water. I use about, let's say, 390 or 380 to 400 mils of water for your bulgur wheat. Okay, so first of all, start off by prepping everything basically. Guys, I'm not a chef. This is home cooking. Let's call it rustic. Okay. Chop up your peppers, make sure that they're washed beforehand. Just chop them up into little pieces. Look. This meal is so easy. You don't have to be a chef to make it. Anybody can make it. Your kids can make it for you. Yes? Your hubby, your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your cousin, your mama, your daddy, anybody. Okay? Just chop them up. Once you've prepped everything, pour in some oil. I like to pour in some. Put in your onions. Oh, that's lovely. Let them go in. Look. Just do this properly. Yeah? Put in your onions. Let it caramelize for a while. Put in the garlic, crushed garlic. Lovely. Just one will do. Don't want to overpower it today. Put in some ginger. Add in your mixed peppers. To rinse out your chickpeas. I forgot to mention that. Apologies. Rinse out your chickpeas that you got from the tin, or if it's raw chickpeas, then you'd have to soak them overnight if need be. Then cook them down. I don't use the chickpeas liquids, I just like to use water, but it's up to you, just to cook it down quickly. So, add in your chickpeas. There we go. You think, oh my god, what happened to the seasoning? Don't worry, I'm getting there, guys, I'm getting there. Some paprika, let's say about a teaspoon. Oh my god, I'm tired. Adding some, showing you, I usually just play it by air. So add in some turmeric, and then I add in some habanero chilies. Guys, a touch guys, a touch. Don't go crazy. Don't make the same mistake I did. And then I would add in a splash of teriyaki. So add that in. Splash, pour it in. Okay? Oops. So a touch of boiling hot water. And cover it. Let it cook down for about, let's say, 10 minutes. Let's cover it. 10 minutes. Whilst that's cooking, I then start on making the quinoa and the bulgur wheat. So what I'll do, I'll add in the quinoa and the bulgur wheat. So add it in, wash it first. Add in your water. And add in some salt. Give it a little bit of seasoning. I use the pressure cooker. It's easy, very, very easy. Sorry, I'm just getting all the sides quinoas down. A dab of oil, as in the stock. Give it a quick mix in, and then now we're good to go. Whilst that's drying, what I would do then is I would strip. So basically just rip apart your oysters. You don't want to burn them, you just want them to get nice and brown, slightly crispy, not too crispy. I usually do them a bit at a time. And whilst that's frying up, I move on to my salad. So whilst that's cooking, then I'll start to grate the carrots. I usually just do them like this. Once you've finished grating up your carrots, get your onions and finely slice them. So we're just going to finely slice the red onions and just add them into our carrots. Okay, so now that you've mixed in the onions with the carrots, peel it and just chop it finely. Okay, add in your ginger, and then what I do, I just cut up some lime. Get that going, rub that down. Chop up the lime, half of it, squeeze it in quickly. I add in a bit of black pepper, and what I do then, I've only got a tiny bit left, I'll add in my apple cider vinegar with the mother in, the raw one. I like that taste in there. Just a touch. Mix it up, mix it in. Let's put that to one side. There. Now that looks lovely. Our tomatoes, just quickly add them in. I usually slice them in quarters just to cook. We just want to put them in for another 2-3 minutes while we're dishing up the plate. So add them. Mix it up slightly. Put it on for 1 or 2 more minutes. Let's get our chive that we have. Ensure that you wash everything, guys. Just chop them up in tiny pieces. Bring back our carrot salad, or add that on top. Waste not, want not, eh? All of that good stuff. Look at that. Let's just quickly chop up our spring onions, which again we will sprinkle on top. So the mushrooms are ready. The carrot salad is ready. The spring onions have been chopped, ready to garnish. Our chickpeas are now ready, so we can just turn that off. Okay, so now let's check on our quinoa and boba wheat. Oh, look at that. Look at it, lovely, nice and fluffy. What I like to do is I like to plate up. Let's add our chickpeas to the side because we don't want it to collapse. I like to add it as so. I usually add it on top, but it's nice and fluffy, and I can see that if I put any type of weight on there, it's over. Add some mushrooms on the side. Guys, forgive me, it's gonna have to be on the side. On the side. Let's add our salad. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Garnish on top with our spring onions. And I like to add, oh, don't touch it, it's going to collapse. I like to add a touch. Let's add some lime going across. And what I usually do at the end is furikake seasoning on top. Oh, gone. Add some more. Can't go wrong. Add it into the salad. Give that crunch in your salad. And there we go, guys. Ta-da! Quick, easy, simple meal when you come home from work and you're tired. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Let me know